Welcome to ABB Tutorials. My name is Victoria, and this is a brief introduction for how you can arrange the view in your application Alarm Insight Event Explorer. Let's open the application. First of all, I'll click the search button so that I can view all the events. Your mapping view has a predefined order of the columns. So first, let's look at how you easily can rearrange the columns by dragging and dropping them in this view. So that's a quick fix, but you do have a lot of columns. So another option to rearrange and rename the columns is to use the three buttons up in the right corner. You get a choice of Configure Columns, and you'll open a configuration panel for your mapping view. The changes you make in this panel will be changes saved in your mapping area. So property name, here I got all my columns listed, and it's the same principle as previous, dragging and dropping to order them. Here you also have the choice to custom the name of your column. By double-clicking the name you would like to change, you can name it whatever you prefer. You can also choose if you want it to be visible or not. So by unticking or ticking this box, you will decide if the column is viewed or not. Well, that's it. So I'll save and close. Well, that's it, and thank you for watching.